Have you ever wondered how buildings stay strong and safe during an earthquake? Let's hear it straight from the design experts. What should you look for to ensure that the building is safe from earthquakes?
The buyer should ensure that the property is designed by a reputable licensed structural engineer, and at the same time, dapat built din siya ng isang experienced and licensed property developer to guarantee that the structure is compliant with the local and international code. How high is the magnitude yung kaya ng residential building? So, well, regardless if it's a high-rise or a mid-rise structure, parehas naman sila maapektuhan ng earthquake. Ngayon, yung potential ground acceleration movement shall be dependent yon dun sa soil condition, yung fault type, saka yung distance niya mula dun sa fault line. As long as it is compliant dun sa code provision, it can be deemed as safe.
What's the National Building Code of the Philippines?
That's PD 1096. Up to now, it's still the prevailing national code of the Philippines.
Yung purpose of the National Building Code, number one, is to safeguard life, property, yung personal wellness ng mga tao. And of course, to provide yung minimum requirements for us to be able to regulate and control yung design.
What is the difference between the NBCP and NSCP?
Yung National Building Code embraces everything. May maliit na part doon about the structural, the NSCP.
The NSCP is the main referral code used in structural design of a building and even on vertical structures here in the Philippines. It contains provision to seismic resistant structures. It does not mean na zero damage yung mangyayari once na ma-hit siya ng earthquake. So the NSCP anticipates that under severe earthquake, structural damages may occur, but these damages should not lose life and property. So yung seismic resistant design, it is not applied to all members or components ng isang structure. It is basically applied to select members that act as part of the main lateral resisting system ng isang structure. Ano ba yung mga lateral resisting frame? So those are the columns, shear walls, beams, girders, and slabs. The non-structural components, such as yung mga hollow blocks, yung mga partitions, yung mga ceilings, yung mga floor and wall tiles, glass windows, and other similar building components, yun hindi siya part ng lateral resisting system. So therefore, they are not earthquake resistant.
How do you design earthquake-resistant buildings?
Yung structure natin, it is designed na dapat maging ductile, inelastic yung response niya kapag nagkaroon siya ng earthquake. Once na-rigid yung structure, like for example, yung walis tingting, pag inuga mo yung nag-iisang walis tingting, mag-bend-bend lang siya. Pero kapag marami yung walis tingting, tapos finorce mo siya na i-break, nagiging rigid kasi kapag madami sila. Yun yung nagiging tendency na magkaroon ng cracks dun sa mga columns, dun sa mga beams, kasi hindi siya ductile. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya nagsisway.
Then we start off with looking at the architectural plans. That's very important that we get the geotechnical investigation or soil report early. Pag yung structural system na yun is one of those listed in the NSCP, then pwede kami to just use yung tinatawag nilang prescriptive-based design. Linear analysis lang yun. It doesn't fall under those listed in the code, then we have to do non-linear analysis. Dun pumapasok naman yung PBD.
What's the difference between code-based against performance-based design?
Si code-based design, more on prescriptive design siya. By the book, kumbaga. Yung performance-based design, it is a result of the actual site condition. So, kailangan natin doon magkaroon ng testing for wind tunnel study saka nung probabilistic seismic hazard analysis. So, si wind tunnel study is for the structural wind loads, and then yung isa naman, si PSHA, is for the earthquake conditions naman siya. Si PBD, on actual site condition. yung product niya compared dun sa prescriptive na by the book.
Why do we talk to consultants?
Our consultants and partners are not only renowned in the industry, but they also have a valid licenses and maintains a good standing membership dun sa Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers, Association of Structural Engineers of the Philippines, the Institution of Specialist Structural Engineers of the Philippines. May ensure natin na kapag yung consultant natin is part ng mga credible organizations na yon, they will bring a high level of expertise and credibility. Also, we tap international consultants such as si AIT Solutions para mag-conduct sila ng peer review naman. Again, ang product nun is not only code compliant but also optimize yung product na mapoproduce natin.
Should you worry about hairline cracks?
Basic to. Yung isang damage, kailangan mo nang hanapan ng iba pang kasabay niya na damage para mo masabi na talagang medyo critical siya. For example, may crack. Other than that, ano pa yung nakikita mo? Meron na bang nakatabingi na ba yung poste?
Pwedeng maging unstable yung foundations mo. Tapos yung isa pa, tine-check sa ibang bansa kasi may mga gas lines. So,
dapat umaamoy ka
sisinghot-singhot ka
doon.
na dapat doon. Kasi pwede magkaroon ng fire or explosion. And other hazards. Like mga may electrical ba dyan, na sira. Most of these are non-structural. Yung structural naman, tinitingnan namin joints. Kasi yun yung critical.
Yung lateral resisting frame, may tulad natin yan doon sa sasakyan. Yun yung sa makina. Sa building, meron kang non-structural component. Ang kaparehas naman yan sa sasakyan is yung bumpers. Kahit mabangga yung sasakyan, may expose sa external forces like an earthquake yung building, magkaroon sila ng crack. Yung functionality na matirahan mo pa rin siya is na doon pa din. At the same time, katulad ng sa sasakyan, ida-drive mo pa din yung sasakyan. Safe and sound.
How do engineers make sure that the building is safe for occupancy after an earthquake?
After a strong earthquake event, the structural elements of the building are inspected by a licensed structural engineer or a qualified structural engineer to decide whether kung pwede ba siyang i-occupy pa or magkaroon siya ng restriction for occupancy. In the event na nabanggit ni structural engineer na kailangan siyang lagyan ng occupancy restrictions, dun yung time na kailangang i-retrofit or bigyan ng strengthening yung building if nakitaan dun sa analysis niya na kailangan.
From a structural engineer's view, how safe are DMCI Homes condominiums?
DMCI Homes is a very responsible company. Based on our dealing with them, we've been with them for 14 years already. And so far, they also listen to us, their consultants, on structural matters. And we appreciate that.
DMCI Homes strictly follows the prevailing building and design codes. Key factors that make DMCI Homes condominiums safer are solid foundations, flexible designs, and high-quality materials. These elements work together to help buildings absorb and withstand the shock of an earthquake. After an earthquake occurs, thorough inspections are conducted to ensure that the buildings are safe for occupancy. This process can be thought of as a comprehensive health check for the structure. Quality and safety are highly prioritized in DMCI Homes. Built with meticulous planning and adherence to strict codes, our buildings are designed to be safe against earthquakes and other natural calamities.